COVID-19 vaccination for children will begin soon. India's third wave is yet to arrive, and with scientists wary about the approaching festival season, the stakes are high to vaccinate as many adults as possible. Even as the vaccination program for adults progresses at a steady rate with 70% receiving at least one dose so far, children remain a vulnerable lot in the absence of any protection. However, with the emergency use approval given to the Zydus Cadila's ZyCoV-D vaccine for children aged 12 years and above, health authorities are looking to start the vaccination drive for children at the earliest.
We are going to prioritize vaccine for those children who have comorbidities and severe comorbidities so that we immediately immunize them, and the rest of the children can be those who are healthy, can be immunized subsequently.
The National Immunization Technical Advisory Group (NTAGI) is studying the size of the vulnerable group and working on creating a plan on how to identify those who are at the highest risk of getting hospitalized. The guidelines will be released next week. The center is also making arrangements so that the vaccine could be made available for children in their own district without the need for traveling long distances. The Zydus Cadila vaccine is the first 3-dose vaccine to be approved for children in India. However, there is still no protection available for children below the age of 12. Each of the 3 doses will be given in 2 shots on one arm each, so everyone will be injected with 6 shots of the vaccine in 3 doses. The 3 doses need to be completed for the vaccine to be effective, which has been found to be 66%. The vaccines are waiting to be introduced in the National Vaccination Program. While the manufacturing company has quoted a price of 1800 to 1900 rupees per dose, the government is negotiating to bring the price down. Since the vaccine is the first DNA-based and needle-free vaccine, its price will be comparatively higher. The special applicator the vaccine requires costs around 35,000 rupees. In June, WHO and AIIMS had conducted a joint survey that showed seroprevalence was 55.7% in children below 18 years of age and 63.5% in those who are 18 years and above. Experts say that though the seropositivity results showed a similar level of exposure to the virus, the incidence of serious disease is very uncommon in children, especially below 10 years of age. Meanwhile, there are other vaccines for children that are getting ready for launch. Bharat Biotech's Covaxin is under trial for children above the age of 2 at 6 places. The results of the trials are likely to be made available around October 20. A nanoparticle protein-based vaccine manufactured by the Serum Institute of India will also undergo trials at 23 sites across the country. With COVID clusters being reported in residential schools in Karnataka and schools opening from class 9 in most parts of the country, there seems to be an urgent need to start the vaccination program for children. A Federal report.